Hi there! By the way, I'm Riri, also known Konsinki on IG. I have here my PR from Coloret, and this is the giveaway that I received from them, and this is the Just Wanna Have Sun PR, and ito yung laman niya. Tatlong lip screen and then a bag, a summer tote bag from them, and it has a logo. Here, ito siya sa loob. Super ano siya, spacious sa loob. And then they have this parang magazine, pero isa lang siya, and stickers. So generous from them. By the way, this is a summer edition and it is a lip screen for summer, syempre, para protected ang lips natin every time we go out dahil sa init ng panahon. And it has a 3 shades. They have tan, coral, and shell. So let's try to swatch it. Let's swatch the lip screen, and I don't have anything on my lips pa. So this is my bare lips. Then I have two-toned lips. So this is shell. Let's open it and put it. Oh, ganito siya sa loob. May pagka-pink siya. Baby pink. Ang bango niya, tapos para siyang may flavor pag ina-apply sa lips. Parang nalalasahan mo. Pero mild lang. Yan. Natatakot akong i-squeeze siya ng todo kasi baka mag-burst. So, yan. Since wala siyang stopper, so kalmahan natin ang pag-squish. So, this is shell on my lips. It has squalene and camellia oil na pala, so it gives your lips a hydrated and treatment na rin. So, this is one of their limited edition, summer edition. Nabulol na. So, ito yung coral shade. So, let's swatch natin sa lips. Ganito siya. Makakatakot yan. Baka biglang bumuhos. Yan. Ganito siya. May pagka-peachy yung color niya. And this is a lip treatment for dry lips na nagka-crack. Maganda itong pang lip treatment at syempre protected na from the sun. Ganyan siya. This is coral on my lips. This is coral. This is tan. Let's swatch it on my lip. Ooh. Bagay din pala siya kahit neutral undertone. I thought it's for ano lang warm. Yan. This is tan. Lip screen. Ganito siya sa lips ko. Ang juicy niya, tapos hindi siya yung malagkit. Like, mabigat na feeling to my lips. So, gaan lang at hydrating. Tingnan nyo naman yung shine na binibigay niya at subtle na color. Very main character ang dating niya. So, there you have it. Ayun, ang ganda ng mga shades niya. So, nagustuhan ko naman silang lahat. Bumagay naman sa neutral undertone.